So, hello everyone. Today we are going to solve class 2 IEO set B of 2016. So, let's begin. The first section is word structure knowledge, and here we have a figure, and the way to solve it is we find the correct word which explains it. So, here we have will. Now, let's see the figure here, and in this picture buffalo is mentioned. So what is the correct spelling of buffalo? Buffalo. Okay, now let's see what is shown here in the picture. It's a elbow, so option number B is the correct one here. And then here we have a potato. So the correct option of potato is like here it is the spelling, so we will go with option C. Now what is it in the cup? So it's a coffee. So for taking out coffee we must know the correct spelling of coffee first, which is COFFEE. Okay. Now let's see the instructions from question number 5 to 7, which is which animal cannot run. So cheetah can run, leopard can run, tortoise cannot. Now in the same way we move forward and see question number 5, who looks after your teeth. So far as the teeth are concerned, the doctors of teeth are known as dentists, not nurse and not chemists. Nurses are the ladies who look after the patients in the absence of doctors, as well as chemists are the person who give us medicines. Where does a pig live? So what is the name of home of a pig? Sty. Now the thing is, you guys have to answer that what is these two homes, like whose home are these two, in the comment section, so that we will get to know that how sincerely you are watching the session. Question number 7, where should we throw garbage? So in the dustbin. Question number 8 to 15, the correct word to fill in the blanks. So here we have Nina wants to eat dash banana, which is shown in the figure. So it's a figure of one banana, that's why we go with A. The man could lift the box. So here in the figure the man seems to be lifting the box easily. He is not in panic, so that's why easily is the correct option here. Question number 9, dash you been to the new mall? So here we have a question, and for that we have to go with an auxiliary verb here. And if you see, there is a been word used here, so you guys will be known to it that has been or have been or had been is the word which is used, like has, have, had are used before the word been. Okay, and it's always like this. So now there is no option for are, and now we have three options we can go with, and in these three the last one is also cut. So you must be known to it that the correct word which matches with you is have. Okay, if you want to have a deep study of subject verb agreement as well as the grammatical section, which is a major part of IEO, then you must pursue in our paid courses, where we taught you all the tips and tricks as well as basic concepts of English grammar, so that you can score higher marks in the examination of IEO. For this you have to mention your name in the comment section so that we can contact you. So let's move on to the next question, and here the correct option will be have. Question number 10. Frogs can hope dash they can't walk. So frogs can hope but they can't walk. Question number 11. Dash she speak French. So the correct match of auxiliary verb with C is does. Okay. Now let's see the next question. Question number 12. Dash is a beautiful watch. So here it is, a beautiful watch. Okay. Now let's see question number 13. Is dash your bag? So is that your bag? Because these and those are a kind of plural substitute or plural pronoun. So we can't go with it. Question number 14. Dash a wonderful day today. So it is a wonderful day, and which is written as it's a wonderful day. Question number 15. Dash Ganga is a holy river. So we use the word the for it in question number 15. Now let's see the reading section. Here in the picture there are few people shown in it. Now we have to answer the following question upon the basis of this picture. There are dash children in the picture. So 6, you can count it, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Ram and Sonu are standing dash the fence. So standing near the fences. Okay. Tina and Monu are playing dash tops. So here it is the top and they are playing with the tops. Mom, dad are sitting dash the bench. So sitting in the bench, on the bench or off the bench. Which will be the correct option, friends? On the bench. Now let's see question number 19. The children dash come here to play. So children often come here to play. Okay. Now let's see the passage, which is from question number 20 to 23. Let's see. The mother duck and her little duckling were on their way to a lake one day. The duckling were very happy following their mother and quacked along the way. All of a sudden the mother duck saw a fox at a distance. She was frightened and shouted, "Children, hurry to the lake. There is a fox." The ducklings hurried towards the lake. The mother duck wondered what to do. Then she began to walk, dragging one wing on the ground. When the fox saw her, he felt happy. He said to himself, "It seems she is hurt and can't fly. I can easily catch and eat her." He ran towards her. The mother duck ran away from the lake and fox followed her. The mother duck saw that her duckling had reached the lake. Now the fox wouldn't be able to harm them. Feeling relaxed, she stopped to lick and took a deep breath. The fox thought that she was tired and he came closer, but the mother duckling quickly spread her wings and rose up in the air. She landed in the middle of the lake and her ducklings swam to her. The surprised fox stared at the mother duck and her ducklings, and he couldn't reach them because they were in the middle of the lake. The mother duck had tricked him cleverly. So, the moral of the story is a mother can sacrifice anything for the kids. So, always love your mother and treat her warmly. Now let's see where were the mother duck and her ducklings going? So they were going to lake. How did mother duck feel after seeing the fox? Frightened, because she has a fear that the fox may kill her babies. Who reached the lake first? Little ducklings, and after that the mother duck. What did the mother duck do when the fox came closer? She flew in the air. Okay, now choose the opposite of hurry. So, hurry is a word which represents fast. So, delay is the opposite of it. Now, let's see the spoken and written expression. Question number 24 to 30. Choose the best option to complete each conversation. Nina dash mom Sonu. She's gone to the market. So she has gone to the market. So there must be that Nina is asking that where is mom. Okay. When mom, like mom, here is your coffee, dad. So here, if you see, mom has offered the coffee to dad. So he must be obliged with it and say thanks. 25th number question. Should students dash I drink water? So you must have asked it in your class also, like, may I drink water? Teacher, yes, you may. Question number 26. Neha, can I dash to Sumi? So Ram, she is not at home. So what will the correct option here? Tell me. Can I speak to Sumi? Now, 27th question. Mahi dash to go to the hills in this summer. So, option B. Let's go to the hills this summer. 28th number question. Caller. One hospital. Receptionist. Yes. What can I do for you? Caller. One hospital. Receptionist. Yes. Dash, can I help you? So it is a normal reception to customer call. So the basics of it is how. Okay. So how can I help you? Amit, shall we go to the cinema? Anuj, dash, why not? So the correct option here is option A, sure. Question number 30. Mom, dash, play in the rain. So, Mona, you will catch a cold. So, the thing is here, mom is forbidding the kid, who is Mona, to not to play in the rain, so that she should caught she will caught cold. Now let's see the achiever section. Here we have to match the correct answer. What is the sound made by the bat? So if you are known to it, then it is screech. Now let's see the question 32 to 33 and choose the correct option word to fill in the blanks. Give dash a piece of chalk and duster. So give me. The teacher is asking here to give the chalk and duster. And the next question is, see dash the ironing yesterday. So C did the ironing yesterday, because the word used here is yesterday. Choose the correct collective noun. Dash of ships. So what will be it? Tell me. The group of ships are known as fleet. Now, next question. Teacher, how are you feeling before the performance? Ria, good, but I am having dash in the stomach. So this is a proverb, kids. I have butterfly in my stomach. Like, it is a proverb used to show the nervousness. Okay. So in this way we have solved the paper of IEO set B 2016 of class 2. If you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to watch more explanation videos like this. Thank you.